empowering natural healing with ancient wisdom and modern insight. Welcome to the VediConnect healing program. 94 to 96% of us are born healthy. We enter the world in a state of alignment. Our biology is designed to self-repair, to thrive, and to sustain energy. The baseline is health, not illness. We do not lose health in a day. We lose it in inches, without realizing it. Modern life is engineered for speed, comfort and convenience. It is not engineered for health. This is the drift, the silent accumulation of misalignment. A slow departure from our biological center. The foundation, the fuel, the tuning. The VediConnect program is a comprehensive healing engagement integrating structured guidance, premium supplementation and personalized breathwork coaching. First is lifestyle reset. Identify, remove, reset. Stop consuming what silently harms the body. Eliminate hidden toxins, additives and preservatives that slowly disturb internal balance. Before we add anything new, we must remove what is creating interference. For ease and convenience, I have created a curated Amazon associate page listing cleaner, safer alternatives and essential tools aligned with this reset process. Eating the right foods at the right time, aligned with one's Vata, Pitta, Kapha constitution. Maintaining true nutritional balance that supports digestion, metabolism, and cellular repair. Avoiding incompatible and harmful food combinations. Targeted healing protocols for cellular repair and immune support. Breath is the bridge. The right breathwork resets the nervous system. However, the wrong techniques can be counterproductive.